Next, on how to convert the bed in the 59G, it's very simple and easy to do. First, you start off by taking the back cushion off, and then you can flip up the top cushion here. And then you go to the table. It has a little button down at the side. You push that in and make it connect, and then you just let it go to the ground, and then push it up against your wall. And then just lay your cushions down here. And then you go over to your fresh water tank here, and you simply just take the cushion, push it forward. Very easy to do. And then you have a cushion that will go by the water tank, and this is simply just stored in the closet. And then you have one final cushion as well to make it into a nice big bed. So very simple, easy to do. This bed is 42 by 72.